This is Lucky 7 Garage, where we drink Mountain Dew, do it for Dale, and build cool cars. So, before the video begins, if you want to stay in the loop of everything I'm doing, you can follow me on Instagram at Lucky7Garage_ on Instagram, and you can see everything I'm doing ahead of time. You can text me, ask me questions, or anything like that, or you can comment, like, whatever, ask any questions. I like questions, so just ask questions. I'm live all the time. I'm always posting. I'm always on Instagram, so you can always ask me any questions. So, yeah. Now, let's get into the video. Okay, you guys. So, it is day 2 of the one we build. I'm actually going to be doing stuff. Yesterday video was me doing an unboxing on all the parts. Still waiting on my clutch line that comes tomorrow. I think today is Tuesday. I think it is. Okay, yeah, today's Tuesday. So tomorrow I'll be getting the clutch line in, which I don't even need that right now anyway. I'm not worried about that running, but I'm worried about getting it running actually first. So that doesn't even matter right now. So those crank pulleys you see me have, the alternator pulley and the the crank pulley and the alternator pulley and the pulley bracket. I'm gonna put that on, and I'm gonna show you guys that, and why I'm gonna show you why I need that actually, because I did explain that, and then I'll probably put the fuel pump block off plate on, and I'll do something else. I don't know. Probably had to run a napper for something, and yeah, we gonna see. Okay, so we have the smaller pulley and we have the alternator bracket in there to relocate the alternator. So the reason I have this small pulley, which if you can see how small it is from this one, it's the pulley is probably 2 times bigger than this one. But I need this small one to clear the electric water pump, because the electric water pump is so big, like this way, and it hits this pulley, and I was gonna grind it down, but I want a whole bunch of clearance, so I don't even have to worry about that, because that part was really expensive. So yeah, I don't want to have any problems with that. And the water pump is so nice and shiny, so I want to keep it that way. So let's go ahead and take that off, and then I have the alternator bracket, which will relocate the alternator probably somewhere right here. I think somewhere lower, somewhere in there, but I think it bolts up right there or something like that. We'll see, and we're gonna go put that on. So let's go ahead and take that off. Okay, so now that you got this one off, it was really easy. You can see the difference in these two. This one's like twice as big as this one. You can see the difference. So yeah, got that off. That's what it looks like without it on. So now let's go ahead and put this on, and came with some new bolts. And yeah, luckily I brought my Allen set, because they don't give me an Allen set, which I wish they would have, but it's alright. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take this off. Put this on. We got it installed, we got it tightened up. Now it's time to put the alternator bracket on. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get to that. So we did not get the alternator bracket on. I probably had to call them and ask them what I need to do. But instead of doing that, we're gonna put the steering wheel on, because that was really annoying. So let's get the steering wheel on, and let's see if we can do this actually. So set that to the side, and gotta clear the space out where my seat is, because I have a lot of stuff right here in my seat. As you can see, it's pretty messy in here. So let's go ahead and get to that, and yeah. Okay, so we got the steering wheel on. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Actually, I need this 5/8, I think, okay, because I forgot my bolt at Napa. I had to go buy this tap and die set, because I had some complications with the other steering wheel I had took off, and kind of messed up the threads on the steering wheel. But we got it now. Let's go ahead and find this thing. There we go. Oh, the steering column isn't bolted down all the way, so kind of like that, but it's pretty much on there. I think that's about it for today. We got the crank pulley on. We tried to get the alternator bracket on, but unfortunately we could not do that. But we got the steering wheel on. This is fully complete. This is not the right bolt, but this works. The right bolt is actually at Napa right now, so I gotta go there and get that, and then put that on. But yeah, we got it on, man. I might mount the gauges too. I might mount the gauges up there. I don't know. Do something. I don't know, but I think that's about it. So we did a quite bit today. Tomorrow we'll do some more, of course, and yeah. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I have the tires for the truck. They are in the car with me. I got the tires. We are heading home now. I guess it's another thing that I got for the truck. I won't have them put on now, but at least I got them, and I'll probably get them put on tomorrow or something. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. So now it's time to go home and wrap it up. And yeah. So I think we had a lot of progress today. I put the crank pulley on, this real small crank pulley. Tried to get the alternator bracket is halfway on, but I got a call to see. It was no direction, so I had to call CV Racing and see what's up with that. CV Racing, please put directions in your packages, please. Thank you. Yeah. Put the alternator bracket on halfway, kinda, and I put the steering wheel on, and I got some tires for the truck. So I feel like that was a pretty productive day. You know, it's enough for today. Tomorrow I'll do a lot more stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more exclusive content. You know what I'm saying? A lot of American content. So yeah, thank you guys.